Welcome to Rocky Ridge County Park in York County, Pennsylvania. This 750-acre mature oak forest is one of the best places in all of York County to see migrating warblers and birds of prey. We'll take a look at some of those hot spots today, starting here at the Hidden Laurel parking area. We're right at the Kids Nature Fun Zone, one of the outdoor nature play spaces in the York County parks. This park is the first York County park established in 1968. Let's take a look around. Here's a common plant to encounter at Rocky Ridge County Park. Do you know what it is? The compound leaves with 3 leaflets, and the hairy branches give it away. Keep an eye out for this, or you could get an itchy rash. There's some fuzzy stems back there. Did you figure it out? It's poison ivy. Even though we don't like bumping into poison ivy, this native plant is actually beneficial to have in the forest. Birds use the fuzzy hairs from the vines in their nests. Other birds eat the berries that we'll see in late summer and fall. And insects eat the nectar or pollen from the flowers that bloom in the spring. Can you tell what these trees are just by the bark? It's light gray and peely. That's white oak. Do you recognize the leaves of this small understory tree? It has 3 different leaf shapes. And if I tear the leaf and smell it, it would have a strong fruity smell. I think it smells like Fruit Loops. Any ideas? It's sassafras. And sassafras, being a native tree, is food for all sorts of insects, including the larvae of butterflies and moths. Check out this awesome treasure. Aww. That's a baby imperial moth. What a cool creature. Next spring or summer, he'll be a big yellow moth. Really cool. Thanks, sassafras. Hey look, I just found the state flower of Pennsylvania. The blooms are already done for the summer, but they were big and white and pink. These waxy leaves are evergreen. Anyone know what it is? It's mountain laurel, found throughout Rocky Ridge. We made our way on the Yellow Triangle Trail to one of the small trickling creeks found at Rocky Ridge. Here in the summer forest, there are many breeding woodland birds. You can hear the sounds of the wood thrush, the scarlet tanager, the American redstart, and hooded warblers. In the creek, you can find many species of salamanders. The mature trees above our heads are red maples, tulip trees, white oak, chestnut oak, red oak, and hickory. We just arrived at the athletic field off the Mountain Laurel parking area. This open space is known as the ball field to bird watchers. It's a nice spot to sit in a lawn chair and watch for migrating warblers in the spring and the fall. Back in the forest, we can get a look at what Rocky Ridge County Park is named after. Huge boulders of Hellam conglomerate are strewn throughout the park. Hellam conglomerate is about 541 million years old, and it's part of the Chickees Formation. Between the boulders in the spring, you can find blooming lady slipper orchids, blooming pinkster bloom azalea, and of course, the beautiful flowers of our state flower, the mountain laurel. Now we're at the North Overlook, official home to the Rocky Ridge Hawk Watch. It's located in the Power Line Cut at Rocky Ridge, one of the best bird watching locations. Our hawk watchers started collecting data in 1985, and since then we've logged thousands of migrating birds of prey. In 2019, in just 5 days of perfect northeast winds, we counted 10,000 migrating birds. September is the best month to look for broadwing hawks, but each year we hope to find something special like a golden eagle, a goshawk, or a rough-legged hawk. Rocky Ridge is also home to a lot of black cherry trees, where you can find tiger swallowtails. Sorry, little buddy. I'll let you go. Now we're hiking along the power line cut right off Oak Timbers parking area towards the south overlook. In this open meadow habitat, bird watchers have seen over 30 species of warblers. This is also excellent habitat for field sparrows, eastern towhees, indigo buntings, and many other birds. Now we're making our way up to the wetland vernal pool, and let's see what's here. Here at the vernal pool, there's all kinds of dragonflies and damselflies zooming around. Some of the common ones to see are the common whitetail, the green darner, the blue dasher, the eastern forktail, and many others. This is also a great spot to hear spring peepers and wood frogs and American toads in the spring, and of course to look for different types of wetland birds.